So a new day and a new move. That's what we have seen in the Wall Street, where all the indices has performed well. Dow Jones up by 1%, S&P 500 1.46, Nasdaq 1.67%. And this is nothing which we can say very specifically, or I would say very surprising, because everything is happening within the range. And yes, Nasdaq is something which I am also confused. I mean, after 2 3 times of breakout and finding the resistance. But anyways, this is where the trick lies, because that's why I always say that rather exclude the range or wait for the confirmation. That's what is happening, because of the event that is lined up, and there are big events that's been lined up for this week, and market will react accordingly. And we have couple of hours to go before the Fed commentary actually comes out, and then market will decide its direction. So that is something that we need to look at as far as the overall market indices are concerned. And with this view, and what I can say here is, wait for the Fed commentary before making your judgment. No doubt it may be positive, it may be negative. If you can work with your stop loss, that's fine. But the kind of volatility which we will get in the overall market will be huge, and that's why I'm saying that please stay within the range rather, or don't do if you don't understand the things, because risk and volatility will increase substantially. And I mean, for the next 24 hours market will remain volatile, or let the market decide its course of action, whether it wants to go higher or go lower. Obviously it will be flat, more so over it will be flat, it will be range bound, and then market will react to the Fed commentary. So right now, I mean, for intraday session, just focus on these three parts: 33,692 and 33,471 on the downside, and what do we have here on the upside is 33,304. So this will be your narrow range before, or before the Fed commentary. Otherwise, the big range that we are looking here is 34,640 as your resistance, and big support it will be in between 33,000 and 32,587. As I told you, wait for the confirmation, whether it will be a range breakout or range breakdown. That will be decided after the Fed commentary. So let's see how the market behaves, and then take your decision accordingly. As far as Nasdaq is concerned, Nasdaq has again moved higher, and this is again be a range breakout. So similar thoughts of thing has been happening, but Nasdaq will be the most crucial one, because if this is again a false kind of thing, then would be a problem. So as far as Dow Jones is concerned, it is way more stable than Nasdaq, so you better stay out of Nasdaq. That's what I can say as far as the trend is concerned. So if Nasdaq is not given you clear signal, and it's not because of the signal, because you can clearly see there is a range breakout, or you may see, call it as a confirmation of range breakout, because breakout happened, then it went down, then it again started moving higher, and it's sustaining above 11,500 and 11,580. But that's not the point here. Let's wait for the confirmation. Let us see whether Nasdaq is sustaining in the intraday session, and what will it do after the Fed comment. So that's the most important thing. If it still sustains beyond the Fed, if it still sustains above 580 beyond after the Fed comment, then we will move towards 12,300, 12,670, and towards the big target of 13,160. So this is something which you need to follow, and you need to see what Nasdaq will probably react after the Fed action. Okay, and yeah, a potential breakout which may happen, but that requires confirmation. S&P 500 is still waiting for the confirmation, so let's wait for the confirmation to happen above 4,106 or 4,107 or 10, whatever. If a breakout confirmation, if you get a breakout confirmation, then S&P 500 will move towards 4,300, and if it does not, then it will find resistance at 4,100, and it will move towards 3,770. So situation can work both the ways. So it would be better to stay out from the market till the Fed comes out and makes its decision. And if you still want to go in the market, work with strict stop losses, because market will remain volatile at least for today's trading session. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.